In this video, I want to show you how to print pictures on glossy paper. This is a 4x6 glossy paper on your Canon PIXMA TR7120 printer. I'll be using my phone to do so. So let's get started. So you're going to take your glossy paper. This is 4x6. You're going to open the paper input and you're going to remove any paper that is currently over there. If you don't have any glossy paper, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon so you can get some. Usually it's the cheapest. Take your photo paper, place it with the glossy side facing down. But how do you place it? Where you see these paper guides, they move. Make sure that this one is placed right beside the 4x6 line, and the other one, well, move it in a way that, let me just insert the paper over here, that the paper doesn't get squeezed. Okay, see, this is too much. Leave a small gap around the paper. It's simply so that the paper doesn't come all the way crooked inside. Once the drawer is back, we need to connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as the device you intend to use to print your pictures. I have my picture in my phone. Therefore, let me show you how to connect your phone to the printer, and then we're going to print the picture. On the main display, you need to select Settings. So using these arrows, navigate until you get to Settings. Press OK. Then we need to select the first option, LAN Settings. Press OK. You're going to select the first option, which is Wi-Fi. Press OK. Go down and select Wi-Fi Setup. Go down and select Manual Connect. Press OK. It will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are currently around this printer. So you're going to get a list to choose from. With the arrows, select your Wi-Fi network and press OK. Press OK again and enter the password using the tiny keyboard on the screen. If your password has capital letters, go on the lower left side, this small icon, and it will switch to capital letters. If your password has numbers and symbols, on the lower left side, completely on the corner, you'll be able to switch the keyboard. Once you're done typing, select OK on the lower right side and wait. Then go on the App Store and download the Canon Print app. This is the main screen of the app. If you're downloading the app and installing it for the first time, you may have to accept a few terms and conditions before going and landing on this page. To add a new printer, click on Add Switch. Then click on Register Printer on the lower side of the page. Wait a few seconds, and as long as your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer, okay, printer and iPhone should be on the same network, you should see the printer appearing in the list where you have to tap. Press the X button. All right, on the main screen of your Canon app, you're going to press Photo Print. Then we need to select where the picture is currently located. If it's a picture that you took with your phone, simply select Smartphone. And go ahead and tap on the picture you wish to print. Once you have selected the photo, press Next. This is the picture I wish to print. Go in Print Settings and make sure that everything makes sense. So the number of copies, if you want to print multiple copies of that picture, you can select many of them. Paper size, make sure it's 4x6. Media type, select photo paper glossy 2, or you can also simply select glossy photo paper. I didn't notice any difference when printing. And over here, make sure you select color if you want to print in color and not in black and white. And this is about it. Obviously, you also have border or borderless if you want borders, but most people will keep it the way it is. Go back, select No, and press Print. Extend the paper output and wait. Okay, it got printed. It took around 30 seconds. And here is the beautiful result on the screen. It may ask you to rate the Canon app. I don't want that. And you're going to get a green check mark telling you that the printing got completed. You can go ahead, select another photo you want to print, put more paper, and yeah, now you know how to print pictures on glossy paper using your Canon printer. Thanks for watching. Comment down below. Again, check on Amazon if you need paper, and I'll see you in the next one.